today we have an ostomate with us whom we are going to teach how to manage at home and how should he apply the bag at home and remove the bag. We are going to go through that process to teach him so that even you people can learn from this.
This is SenSura Mio 2-piece system. Here, the adhesive base plate and stoma bag are separate. SenSura Mio has an elastic body fit technology which provides flexibility during body movements. SenSura Mio has unique full circle filter which helps to remove gases significantly and provide better sleep quality. SenSura Mio has all-new water-repellent textile material in neutral grey color for optimal discretion, bathing and comfort. SenSura Mio has wave-shaped click coupling for extra security and reassurance. Ask the end user to take stoma size with help of stoma measuring guide. As per measured stoma size, we will mark the length and width on the adhesive, which is 45 mm in length and 38 mm in width. The end user should be trained to draw the shape of stoma as per the markings. We will use this special curved scissors to cut the base plate. Before cutting the adhesive, hold the base plate firmly to make perfect cut. Start cutting the adhesive in a circular movement and make sure to cut 1 to 2 mm more than the stoma size. The end user should be trained to cut the adhesive 1 to 2 mm more and as per stoma shape and size. After cutting, make sure the edges are smooth to avoid piercing of stoma. The first accessory to be used on peristomal skin is Comfeel Cleanser, which has a property of moisturizing the skin because of natural coconut oil. So now, first clean the outer edge and move towards the stoma. As this product is gentle to skin, so it can be directly applied on stoma for cleaning. Next step is application of Comfeel Barrier Cream. This cream provides nourishment to the skin by moisturizing and keeping the skin pH at 5.5. Usage of this cream ensures healthy skin and healing of mild excoriation. Apply Comfeel Barrier Cream on the peristomal skin by a gentle massage. Ask the end user to gently massage it and leave it for 1 to 2 minutes. Remove the Comfeel Barrier Cream after a few minutes gently with a cotton swab. It leaves a transparent film to protect the skin around the stoma. Next step is application of ostomy powder, which should be applied on the dry skin. Sprinkle it around the stoma and spread it with the help of cotton swab. Ask the end user to follow the step and excess powder should be completely wiped off. Now, we will apply the Brava moldable ring. Make sure the skin is clean and dry. Remove the ring from the packaging. Remove both release liners. Mold and stretch the ring to the desired shape. Press gently into place to assure a good skin contact. Adjust the shape again if needed. Apply the adhesive base plate from bottom to top in such a way so that ear on the base plate should be in horizontal direction for comfortable wearing of ostomy belt to avoid any air bubble. After applying, roll the fingers on the inner circle of the base plate and then gradually move to outer circle to make sure the base plate is firmly in place. Now, take the stoma bag and position the button of the bag coupling at the bottom of the base plate coupling. Press the bag and base plate together at the bottom with your middle fingers. With your index fingers, apply a gentle press to the top of the coupling until you feel the bag is correctly positioned to the base plate. Close the lock ring by pressing the lock together. The bag is securely attached to the base plate when you hear a click. Next step is application of new and improved Brava elastic tape. Take 2 pieces of tape, peel the cover and apply on the edges of the adhesive as shown. While applying the tape, one must ensure that half width of the tape should come on the base plate and remaining half on the skin. Encourage the end user to apply the other half of the tape on the other side. The next step is application of Brava lubricating deodorant. This neutralizes odor and provides multi-lubricating effect, which ensures that content is always at the bottom of the bag and not around the stoma. Put 3 to 4 ml of lubricating deodorant in the bag and then close the hideaway outlet by making 3 folds in the same direction. Fold the bag and stick it with Velcro dot. We call it as hideaway outlet. Then spread the deodorant by gently rubbing the 2 layers. After this, apply the new and improved Brava belt, which has 4 grooves to fit in the base plate ears and it is adjustable in length. First, put the belt under the end user's waist and put the hooks in the base plate ear. And then check if it is too tight or loose. The Brava belt is designed to provide extra security and is very gentle to skin. To ensure painless removal of stoma bag, Coloplast has a unique product known as Brava Adhesive Remover Spray. Gently spray the Brava Adhesive Remover Spray on the edges of the adhesive and start the removal from top to bottom. The Brava Adhesive Remover is sting-free and its silicone polymers ensure easy and painless removal. Dispose the used ostomy bag in a plastic bag and throw in the garbage bin.